Lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. So don't skip the video and watch until end. Here are common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. 1. Sleeping with makeup on. Leaving makeup on while sleeping can clog pores and cause breakouts. To avoid this mistake, always remove your makeup before going to bed. For best makeup remover, check the link in the description. 2. Over-exfoliating the skin. Exfoliating too often or using harsh scrubs can damage the skin's natural barrier, leading to dryness and irritation. Instead, limit exfoliation to once or twice a week and use a gentle exfoliator. For best exfoliator, check the link in the description. 3. Not moisturizing enough. Skipping moisturizer can lead to dehydrated skin. To fix this, use a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin type and apply it morning and night. For best moisturizer, check the link in the description. 4. Using too many products. Using too many products can irritate the skin and make it difficult to determine which ones are actually working. Stick to a simple skincare routine with only a few key products. 5. Not wearing sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen can lead to premature aging and an increased risk of skin cancer. Make sure to wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. For best sunscreen, check the link in the description. 6. Using hot water. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. Use lukewarm water instead when washing your face and avoid hot showers or baths. 7. Not drinking enough water. Drinking plenty of water is essential for keeping your skin hydrated and healthy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. 8. Eating an unhealthy diet. What you eat can affect your skin's health. Eating a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to acne and other skin problems. Instead, focus on eating a healthy, balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 9. Not getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles, puffiness, and dull-looking skin. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night to give your skin time to repair and regenerate. By taking these steps and avoiding common skincare mistakes, you can help keep your skin healthy, radiant, and looking its best. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.